Hello, this is David Carr. Today I'm looking at the FHFA Metropolitan Statistical Area House Price Index. You can see Seattle, Bellevue, Washington had a 5-year appreciation of 68%, but my metro is down at the very bottom. Here is Connecticut at number 249 out of 253. So we're at the very bottom, and our 5-year appreciation is the most interesting to me, because our 5-year appreciation here is only 3%. This is the third lowest in the United States. I believe this is creating a foundation of value over the last 5 years, since we have not seen our prices go down, and they are forecast to go up in the future. We had a similar condition in Connecticut in the early 90s and moving into the late 90s, which was interesting when I entered the business in 1997. I believe the future is good for Connecticut value. It's stable to appreciating. I don't believe that prices are going to go down here, especially when you consider the interest rates. We've seen interest rates go up about 0.5% in February 2018, but I'm confident that the values in Connecticut are stable to appreciating based on the historical lack of appreciation over the last 5 years. So if you were to go to the FHFA.gov website and you were to look at the Metropolitan House Price Indexes, you can see what you think of this and places you're thinking of. But I like it here. I think it's a great place, and we're so close to so many things. I'd like to work to make the future better, and if living in Connecticut is something you're interested in, I'm interested in talking with you. My name is David Carr, here for you when the time is right, the foundation of your success in real estate since 1997.